yes, this is Rosemary. How are you? Well, my video today is about to show you how to make the simple hat, and I have the two different styles. So it's like a shower hat like this, and another hat is just like this. So basically the process is the same, okay? So the shower hat is, I use a plate for this. So I used pattern. I make a circular from this to make it this. So the shower hat. So to show you what I'm talking about. So this is okay. This is your shower hat when you go to bed. So you have to protect your hair. It's nice. So, and also I have another hat, another style I did is this one. So basically like a profound hat. So this one I use those style like this. So this is nice style. So this is what I show you how to make this. Okay, so it's okay. So yeah, this is my video today. My video is about how to make the DIY hat from the plate. Okay, and also, and I show you the match of the mask, the same color, and the easy way to do it. So guys, let's begin and let's start it. Okay, so okay, next you're gonna take your paper and you're gonna make a pattern from your plate like this. You're gonna face down like this, and to get a perfect circle, okay, like that. So this is like I come up, I cut it and something like this. So from over here, it's a 26 centimeter. So by 26 centimeter, okay. So this is the guide of our shower hat, okay. So okay, let's go back. Okay. Guys, okay, so this is, we're gonna put let's see how perfect circle we got, and then we're gonna have a full allowance, a half inch. So it's just gonna be like this, okay. Or you can, and then you're gonna have a little bit a little bit because this is circular. You're gonna get the shape. Okay, shape. Just a little bit, okay? Don't cut over. Don't cut too long. Just a little bit snip, like that. Okay. Just a snip all around. So I bend around, okay, just like that. You know, it's easy if you iron first. So you iron this side, so it's easy to, you know, if you make a hem allowance to fold it, so it's easy. So iron first, but I forgot about it. So so that's what I got so far. So perfect circle right here, and this one the same here. You're gonna put your insert your elastic. Okay, the size of the elastic is should be 46 centimeter of this okay, 46 cm. Okay, so it's gonna insert in your hat. So first done. So let's see what it looks like. Let's try it. Okay, good. So this is your shower hat, okay, from the plate pattern. So okay, here you go. So the next one is I'm gonna show you. It's a different style. Okay, this buffin style. So okay, so I'm gonna show you. So which one prefer, this one or this one? So this is an easy way you can use your DIY pattern from the plate. So like I said, 26 centimeter by 26 centimeter. So this one I show you the technique so you can get the perfect circle. Okay, so yeah, here you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this shower cap. It's just easy, and it's help your hair not messing around when you go to bed. So here you go. So you can use any fabrics. One is a regular fabrics or your silky one or satin. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you this one. All right, so this one is basically it's the same process, but I'm gonna use the bigger size of the material. So material size 56 centimeter by 56 centimeters. So it's a big round materials or fabrics. So I show you how, and then you're gonna add this this strip, so almost 2 inches or 1.5 inches of the stripes. Okay, so let's begin and I'll show you how. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. I hope you learned something from this. Okay, I'll see you, and please subscribe.